Nikon D5300 24.2MP CMOS digital SLR camera with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS body only, black. 24MP DX format CMOS sensor with no optical low-pass filter. 39-point f system with 3D tracking and 3D matrix metering 2.5 frames per second continuous shooting. ISO 112800, expandable to 25600. 3.2 inches Vari angle LCD with 1,037,000 dots. 1080, 60p, 30p, 24p, and 720, 60p, 50p, HD video, H264 MPEG 4. Built-in Wi-Fi for sharing and remote camera control, and GPS. RAW and RAW plus JPG shooting. South Dakota SDHC SDXC memory. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.